Very often, a skilled team of technicians could encounter hazardous situations when it comes to fixing faults, performing preventive or emergency maintenance, and effectively inspecting the working field. Just think about a technician or a crew that needs to perform maintenance work on wind turbines in the offshore sea. An operation like this presents several challenges and unforeseen conditions since wind turbines are far from the coast. Rent a ship with a captain, take on high costs, experience long travel times, have many skills required. And if they miss the right spare parts? Well, first-time fix is a KPI impossible to achieve. No matter how skilled technicians are, without the right material, they cannot perform the task. They need to come back, reschedule the operation, double costs, and spend more time. However, field service solutions can avoid these unexpected events. OverIT next-gen FSM platform has the solution, offering a precise FSM capable of making predictive decisions in real time for ensuring 100% uptime, assigning the right materials and quantities of parts required to finalize jobs once technicians get to a worksite. The platform learns from historical data about the materials, work orders, planned quantities, and accounted quantities, using such information to train the machine learning engine and to predict both the best material and quantities to perform activities in the field. No lost time, no doubts. When technicians leave to perform an operation, they have every part they need to complete a specific job, ensuring the problem is fixed the first time. OverIT, coming to its customers as the trusted partner to pave the way for the introduction of innovative features needed for optimizing mission-critical activities, reducing time and costs, and enhancing customer satisfaction. OverIT Next-Gen FSM Platform 2022 Wave 2. You ask, we deliver.